Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how you can host an Excel learning activity on GitHub. First you need to have an Excel learning activity ready. So make sure you made all the necessary changes and included everything you need to have in this unit or material. And something very important, make sure you're using the advanced mode. So make sure this is checked here, advanced mode. Then you need to go to File, Export, Website, Self-Contained Folder. Okay, there's this message telling me about the metadata that is going to be included in the material. I'm going to click on Yes. I'm going to look for a place to save this folder. I'm going to use Download folder, the Downloads folder. And since this is an activity for economics students, it has to do with exchange rates. I'm going to call it rates. Click on select, and it's showing me now a preview of the material. Right now this is offline, it's just on my computer, but I need it to be online. So now you need to go to GitHub. So I'm going to use my GitHub account. So well, you need to create an account here first if you don't have one, but the process is pretty straightforward and it's pretty similar to most websites that require you to create an account. So once you log in, you need to go to the plus button and create a new repository. Let's think of the repository as a folder that will contain your files. So I'm going to create a new repository. Alright, I'm the owner of this account. I need a name. So I'm going to call it rates. It's telling me it's available, it's public. Alright, I'm going to click on create repository. Okay, on GitHub pages you can start creating a website from scratch, or you can upload existing files that you design on your computer. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I already created the activity on Excel Learning, so I'm going to upload the files. So I'm going to click here, uploading an existing file. Okay, here you can drag and drop the files or choose the files. I'm going to go to this option. I need to find the folder containing the activity. And now this is very important. Make sure you add absolutely all the files that are contained in the folder. So I'm going to highlight all of them. Depending on the complexity of the material, you could have quite a few files. So make sure you don't miss any of them, okay? I highlighted absolutely every file in my material. I'm going to click on Open. Okay, as you can see, it's showing me a progress of the upload of the files, and it's a total of 42 files for this material. Depending on the complexity, as I said before, you may have quite a few files. So you will need to wait for a few more seconds, probably. Okay, the upload process finished. So you need to scroll down and commit the changes. This basically creates a snapshot of the version of the files you're uploading. So here you can just type a keyword that reminds you of the, say, the version of the files you're working with, or the moment in which you uploaded them. So you can use any keywords that will help you remember. I'm going to use first upload and click on commit changes. So it will take a few, well, it's telling me it may take a few minutes, but it could be actually faster than that. Let's See, okay, yeah, it took just a few seconds. See that now we have this first upload next to every file. So in case you need to change any of them, and well, just add a different version and delete the one you don't need. Okay, now we need to make this available online. So we need to go to settings, look for pages on the left. Alright, so let's see. Now we need to choose a branch. I'm going to use main. I'm going to use root as it is and click on save. Okay, this will take a few seconds to be processed, so you need to be a little patient so you can see the final version of your X learning material. Okay, this, at least for this particular case, took about 5 minutes. So I just edited this video so you have to wait for a few seconds of silence. So now I have this, your site is live at, so you can click on this link and you will see the material. Okay, see, now it's fully online, so you can copy this URL and share it with your students. You could email it, send it via WhatsApp, post it on social media such as Facebook. You could also generate a QR code with this, so your students can scan the code with their cell phones and be redirected to the material. So you have, for example, just a vocabulary activity, reading, and some comprehension questions after it. It's actually a quite simple learning material. Then we have a listening activity, you have some cases, and the audio recording.
A change in exchange rates can have a big impact on the economy. What happens, for example, when an economy's currency is strong against other currencies?
So there you go. Now this is fully operational and it's online. So I hope this tutorial helps you share your learning material with your students.